We have the end-to-end competencies in this field. At Zing HR, that is a parent company, we not only make these tools ourselves, we also partner and implement these solutions with the real clients, that is the real business, big and small. And we therefore understand how crucial and essential skills are becoming in the current scenario towards gaining employment, to remain relevant in a job profile or professional journey, and also for the organizational management and the growth itself. So we thus feel very committed to bring these skills of tomorrow to as many as we can, and that actually remains our mission at Z. We hope during the course of this program, you not only got to like what these tools are, but also how these tools can then be utilized towards creating digital HR frameworks for the business needs. We also hope you understood that the more important thing is to acquire a digital mindset, to be able to differentiate between, let's say, the IT frameworks, the ERPs, and what we are speaking about here, digitalization. Digital is not just limited to a tool or a function. The digital HR is not just about transforming HR functions. Rather, it has an immense potential and is actually becoming a very crucial business tool. It can actually catapult the HR from just being a support arm to becoming an active business tool and with direct and significant impact on the top and bottom line of a company. We really appreciated your energy and active participation throughout the course for the last 6 weeks and helping us achieve our mission. We enjoy this journey and sincerely hope that even you did too. As we come to the end of this program today, we would like all of you to remain connected with us. If there are any future needs at individual level or at organization that you represent, we'll be more than happy to come back to you and take it on from there. At AISW, we remain committed to create any future program. We'll be more than happy to come back. Let's say when the next curriculum starts, if there is any requirement towards your own students or towards industry and organizations around in and around Anand and Gujarat, we'll be more than happy to conduct those programs. At the end, I, on behalf of my complete team at Zeal, wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would invite our teacher. I must use the word teacher, Dr. Pranoti, as the program facilitator to express her remarks. Ma'am, please.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ninad. It's been always pleasure to interact on this platform. As rightly said by Albert Einstein, learning is experience and everything else is just information. So, conducting this digital HR certification program in association with Anand Institute of Social Work was itself an experience for me as well. So, association of 6 Sundays, morning time 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. was a sacrosanct time, and it was indeed a great enthralling experience, having interaction and engagement with all the participants who themselves had a great work experience. Some of them even had work experience of 23 years. So it was indeed a great learning experience for me as well. The inquisitiveness of participants and encouragement from Dr. Ninad has made this program successful and made me as a facilitator to constantly innovate and deliver. I'm sure the experiential learning of this program will take participants a long way, and they'll be able to achieve their career goals. On the outset of it, I thank everyone involved in this journey to make it a memorable one and giving that a wow experience of the journey. And finally, I would like to just conclude by saying that, as rightly said by our HR guru, Dave Ulrich, HR is not about HR but delivering value to others. So with this final remark, I would like to again warmly congratulate everyone for the successful completion of this digital HR certification program.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It is indeed reflecting of Dr. Pranoti's commitment to the entire program that we have all been experiencing till date. Now, I would welcome Shri Hitendra Rao sir for his remarks. Sir, please. Sir, you will need to unmute your mic, please.
Okay, now am I audible?
Yes, sir, very much.
Yeah. Good afternoon, one and all. Sri Ninad Jala ji, Dean Faculty of Social Work, Anand, Captain Vinay Kumar and Team ZIL for providing excellent platform to the HR fraternity. And my mentor, Sri Bhaskar Joshi sir, without his support, and this is not possible. So his contribution is worthless. We can say there is no word, at least I can say, because I know Bhaskar sir since long. So his contribution in HR is excellent, and he always try to give something new to the HR fraternity. All the participants hope you have learned a lot of things. Digital HR is I can say it's the future of HR. So hope you have learned, and this will be very helpful to you in future. Thank you very much for providing excellent platform to once again to the all HR fraternity. And Bhaskar Joshi sir, thank you very much, sir. Special thanks from my side.
Yeah.
Because otherwise this is not possible if you have not shared this idea. So once again thank you very much. ये जो प्रोग्राम है बहुत ही बढ़िया है. मैं तो लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था कि HR डिजिटल HR मतलब वो कहीं पे भी आप ले लो. HR फील्ड में any function you can take. Without digital, it is not possible nowadays. And this is the future requirement. So all the best for all the participants. I hope you have learned a lot of things, and this will be very helpful to you in future. Thank you one and all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind remarks and emphasizing on the need, the requirement, the genuineness of the digital HR functions, especially with the kind of experience and exposure that you have been through since so many years. Probably, I must put it this way that your experience is more than that of my age, and hence I definitely do agree to that. Well, with this point, I would request Shri Ajay Sharma ji to please share his feedback on the entire program. Ajay Sharma ji, sir, please.
Yes. Good afternoon to all. Sir, first I would like to thank Dr. Ninad Jhala, sir, who has introduced us with Jing HR and given opportunity to attend this program. As per my personal opinion, Jing HR is having very good HR online modules, which can make HR functions very smooth and seems user-friendly for management and employees also. Looking to lockouts faced during starting of COVID-19 situations, the necessity of online HR modules shown its importance, as all us are knowing very well. As participated in this program, managed in 6 sessions by Jing HR, we have been shown different HR online modules, which have covered major works area or HR department and found user-friendly for employees concerned. As we all are knowing that it is impossible to have total paperless HR department, but we can reduce the transaction of papers by using these modules in which we can manage data nicely, provide specific reports, get proper analysis, maintain social distance, restrict unwanted movement of employees coming to HR and timekeeping offices, frequently for getting information of their benefits under different policies, rules of the organization, submitting different applications, forms, the wastage of time for generating different forms, applications, and collecting physical applications. Forms can be avoided by using these these modules, and also any of data record can be easily accessed at any time. Using these modules by providing all information to employees regarding their service conditions, benefits, they will feel happy and very well aware, and they were very well aware about their services rules, and will there will be no need for frequent advice discussions with employees. There will be a transparent system which will give benefit to organizations and as well as employees. After introducing this system in any of organization, employees working with ethics will get more benefit of this system. Industrial dispute can be reduced and organization can emphasize on employees skill development and industrial growth. In HR modules, all employees as well as responsibilities, public workings, functions, and all individuals, contractors, workers can be managed, and employees will be having correct reports, annual data required for different purposes. We can manage all HR functions also can use blockchain as shown in these modules very smoothly, which will be very beneficial to the organization. Looking to future relations of Jing HR Academy with AISW Anand, we hope that future students of AISW will be fully conversant with HR digitalization study and will implement the system in the organization. Jing HR Academy is having very competent, high-valued persons like Dr. Pranoti, who has delivered very informative and interested sessions without taking any break, is appreciable. The efforts of Dr. Ninad Jhala sir for, for motivating participants for attending sessions regularly, timely are appreciable. Lastly, thanks for giving me opportunity to provide feedback, and I also thank Dr. Rao sir for his support to be successful this program, sir. Okay. Thanks, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ajay Sharma, sir. Sir,
Thank you,
Ajay Sharma, sir, also is from the corporate background. He has been working with the GAC, Alkalis and Chemicals, in a very senior position. And definitely with his kind of experience, I'm pretty sure that his words would, his dream would come true for all of us at Anand Institute of Social Work and at ZEAL. Now I would request Shri Shivang Desai ji to please share his feedback. He has been probably using the software which we have been working with since so long, and he is the lead HR with the Jade Blue Fashions Limited. Shivang ji, could you please share your feedback?
Yeah, good afternoon. Namaste, everyone. Myself Shivang Desai, and currently I'm working in Jade Blue Lifestyle as a manager HR and handling 58 outlets to factory corporate office of my organization. Having 10 plus years of experience in field of HR as a HR journalist, at this stage of my career, it is important for me to learn about the prevailing HR practices in order to upgrade my knowledge and skill. In the present pandemic, when the work from home culture is on the rise and the adapting to the digital practice is a need of the business, and so the program Digital HR serve the platform to the widen the scope of HR into digital arena. I must say that the program was designed so well that it gave us practical exposure to the field, not only the uh, not only the theoretical but also the practical. Moreover, the faculty made sure to make the session was interesting by engaging us by giving their practical and the live example during the sessions. My personal favorite has been the brainstorming when we could share our ideas and thought with each others, like faculties and with with participants. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Shyam Singh, who recommended this program to me. And I know that it is a valuable program which helped me to implement various digital HR practices in my organization when currently I'm working. And I would like to extend my gratitude to the respected faculty, especially Dr. Pranoti, for being so patient with us and sharing with us their insightful knowledge. Last but not the least, thank you, Mr. Hitendra Rao, Bhaskar sir, Captain Vinay Singh, and ZIL team, and Mr. Ninad Jhala for organizing such knowledgeable program. With that, I wish all the best to all the participants for their future endeavor. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Shivangji, for your insightful feedback. Finally, as Anand Institute of Social Work is into academics primarily, I would invite, for all obvious reasons, Dr. Shyam Singh Inda, who happens to be an expert with the human resource management field as well as the data part, and also for the information of Captain Vinay Singh, sir, who comes from the defense background. So does Dr. Shyam Singh. Sir, your feedback, please.
Thank you, Ninad Jhala, sir. Well, you have elaborated my details in such a way that I become very overwhelmed, but you are my mentor, so that I will keep that also on record. First of all, I'd like to place my thanks to Shri Bhaskar Joshi, sir. So as Sir Hitendra, sir, he is your mentor. He is a mentor to so many persons out here also and into the industry sector. I place on records the thanks to Hitendra Rao, sir, because I think you are the backbone of this program. Because you have sponsored this and it has given us an opportunity to be part of this program. I'll also thank Shri Captain Vinay Singh ji. I think you have taken a lot of efforts in organizing such an event. It's not that easy task. It takes a lot of efforts, especially this digital platform. It has a lot of challenges also, but it was very meticulously designed and it has been incorporated by ZIL. I'd also to thank, I think, the tutor for this entire program, Dr. Pranoti. You have taken a lot of efforts. I think there has been a lot of issue in the work-life balance also, if I'm right, because managing everything from home and managing a home effort itself is a big challenge, which we are also facing. I'm also thankful to all the stalwarts out here because I'm very young to them. People, they are very high profile into the industry sectors also. So this has been a learning knowledge for me because what I term is this is a new normalcy. This is not normalcy, this is a new normalcy because this pandemic has made us think that new normalcy has a different meaning and different definition. So I am also thankful to the ZIL HR that you have made such a meticulous program where it was never tiresome. It was never boring. It was always interesting every week. And it has led to a lot of zeal and efforts inside me also and to the participants to search also and to learn the new facets which are very mandatory in the current scenario. It's not only in the industry. I've been a part of this academics since 13 years. All these are very much useful in the current scenario into the academics also, and especially the accreditation process which you are running the entire country. So I am also a part of this, but it's a new learning for me also. I like to end my quote with a very beautiful poem by Shiv Mangal Singh Sumanji, if it is allowed. It is entirely dedicated to entire ZIL team, to Dr. Ninad Jhala, Bhaskar Joshi sir, Hitendra Rao sir, and all the participants. It's a very beautiful meaning in the sentences. It says like that, जिस से पथ पर स्नेह मिला, उस राही को धन्यवाद. जीवन अस्थिर अनजाने ही हो जाते हैं, पथ पर मेल कहीं. सीमित पगडग लंबी मंजिल तय कर लेना कुछ खेल नहीं. दाएं बाएं सुख दुख चलते हैं, सम्मुख चलता है पथ का प्रसाद. सांसों पर अवलंबित काया, जब चलते चलते चूर हुई. दोस्त ने सब जब मिल गए, मिली वही स्फूर्ति, थकावट दूर हुई. पथ के पहचाने छूट गए, पर पथ पथ साथ चल रही यादें. जो साथ ना मेरे दे पाए, उन्होंने कभी सुनही डगर. मैं भी ना चलूं यदु तो क्या राही मेरा, लेकिन रह अमर. उस पथ पर जो भी चले, जो चलने का पा गए स्वाद. जिस पथ पर स्नेह मिला, उस राही को धन्यवाद. That's all from my side. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shyam sir. Finally, as has been shared also, I have used purposefully the term final note. And for that, I would request Bhaskar Joshi sir to please share his views and bless us all. So please.
Thank you, Ninad bhai. Thank you very much. I think couple of observations on the last day of the sessions. and all the credit goes to Ninad Bhai for doing so well. I think it was well said that you need to have a leader who takes care of everything. And I have known Ninad Bhai for a long time, and the way he has taken up this project with so much pain, and success goes to him, because with his dedications, this program has achieved so much, and participants has also gained a lot. In all our programs, I think Ninad Bhai help has been extremely good, starting from conceptualizations to designing social media, on a day-to-day management also. I think Ninad Bhai and his entire team from the AISW has done a wonderful job. So my sincere gratitude to Ninad Bhai Institute and management for doing such a great work. Participants, of course, I think they have been greatly benefited. And again, Ninad Bhai has coordinated so well, choosing people. We had a difficult time whom to admit, whom not to invite. At the same time, the students, MHRM and MSW students of AISW has also greatly benefited. So entire credit goes to Ninad and his team for doing such a great work. Participants, you have benefited a lot. I think journey should continue, because this is going to be the need of an hour, and this will make a complete change in your look, in your professional life. So whatever it is desired, whatever you want, Ninad and we are ready to give you. We have organized HR analytics program also through a very expert faculty. Ninad will share you all the details once this program is over, and couple of other tech program also we have lined up. So that part also you will greatly benefit. So be in touch with Ninad Bhai. Ninad Bhai will be position to share more details in time to come. My sincere thanks to Rao, because Rao has been instrumental in getting sponsorship, because without money nothing moves. We have a good dedications, but then at the same time money also matters. And I have seen Rao from the beginning, when he was a student of Faculty of Social Work, Baroda. And he is a person who has struggled a lot, who has struggled and who has reached to this position only on his hard work. And when I approached him, not only this time but earlier also, whenever we required his help, he has generously given a help through his own resources, through the company which he represents, GIPCL. And he has been a great help as far as this program is concerned. Without his support, this program would have not taken place. Not only here, but even for Baroda certification also, he has been instrumental. And I must say thank you to Rao. You have been a great help. Continue to do such work in future also, because we need you, and we need your good wishes also and blessings also. So thank you, Rao. And I think team has done a wonderful work. Teaching community has done a wonderful work, and I think result is very much visible, that people will greatly benefit through this program. So with these words, wish you all the best, and be in touch. Whatever you require as a participants from our side, we are there to help you out. And thank you, Ninad Bhai. Thank you, Rao Sahab, for all your help. Thank you.
Sir, we are always ready. Need not require any thanks from your side, sir.
No. I must say thank you to you. Without your help, this would have not been possible.
No, sir. It's my duty, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
Good. Thank you.
Now, I would request Nidhi ji to propose a vote of thanks. Nidhi ma'am, could you please?
Yes. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm delighted to be here to give the vote of thanks. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details to actually have executed the 6 weeks program. We've been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues. So on behalf of Wheel and the entire team working to make this session possible, Dr. Ninad Jhala, who's been instrumental in making the certification course happen, Captain Vinay Singh, our guiding force and captain of our ship, Dr. Pranati, our program facilitator, Akshay, who's been helping us at the back end efficiently for every session. And let me call it the fraternity of HR professionals that we have here today. Extend a very hearty vote of thanks for being a part of this journey with us. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. So congratulations to all of you for having completed this certification course. And we hope to be seeing you in future for many such programs, and wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Indeed, this has been a pleasurable experience and a learning experience for all of us. With this positive note, and definitely getting this done, the closer also, probably not on time, but before time. And let us make this a point that we keep on interacting on such learning platforms continuously. And formally, I welcome all the participants on board the Anand Institute of Social Work Alumni Network. And by this, I declare this certification in digital HR program a closer. And I ensure that in a very short time, the hard copy of the certificates will be delivered right to your doorstep. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Ninad bhai.
Thank you, everyone. Congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for all of you being part of our journey. Thank you so much.
ठीक है।